Space should be silent. A vast, infinite vacuum where no sound can travel. But over the past few decades, something has changed. We've begun detecting cosmic events so powerful that they shake the very fabric of space-time itself. Explosions brighter than galaxies. Signals lasting less than a millisecond. Vibrations echoing across the universe like the footsteps of giants. These sounds aren't just strange. They aren't just rare. They may rewrite everything we thought we knew about the universe. Tonight, we explore the loudest, brightest, most mysterious cosmic phenomena ever detected, the ones that scientists still can't explain. Because the universe isn't silent. It's whispering. It's roaring. And now, it's getting louder. Contrary to what many believe, the universe is not a quiet place. There are no sound waves, true. But there are vibrations. Gravitational waves rippling across the cosmos. Radio bursts from collapsing stars. Magnetic storms sweeping across entire galaxies. When we convert these signals into audio frequencies, space comes alive. We've captured the sound of a black hole devouring a star. The eerie hum of Earth vibrating through the void. And the distant rumble of cosmic jets firing across interstellar space. But the loudest, and most mysterious, signals are the ones we call fast radio bursts. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, are flashes of radio energy so powerful, they outshine entire galaxies. But only for 1/1000th of a second. The first FRB was discovered in 2007 by accident. A cosmic fingerprint left behind in telescope data. Since then, thousands more have been found. Some occur just once. Others repeat. As if something out there is sending a message. In 2020, an FRB struck Earth with incredible intensity. It was so strong, astronomers could pinpoint its source. A magnetar, a neutron star with a magnetic field so powerful it could erase your credit card from halfway across the solar system. But here's the problem. Most FRBs do not come from magnetars. In fact, many originate from regions where stars shouldn't even exist. In 2021, something extraordinary happened. Scientists detected an FRB that repeats every 16.35 days. Perfectly. Like clockwork. No natural object behaves like this. Not stars. Not planets. Not black holes. So what is it? A binary star system? A rotating neutron star? Or could it be artificial? We don't know. But the signal continues, precise, rhythmic, and utterly mysterious. In 2023, astronomers made one of the most important discoveries in modern science. A faint, low-frequency vibration has been detected across the entire universe. A hum. A cosmic background wave. A slow, rhythmic stretching and compressing of space-time itself. These are gravitational waves. But not like the ones we've seen before. These waves are massive, tens of thousands of light-years long, and they're likely caused by supermassive black holes orbiting each other. But there's a problem. The hum is too strong. The signal we detected is far stronger than expected. There simply aren't enough known black holes to explain it. Something else is out there creating these waves. Possibilities include cosmic strings left over from the Big Bang, dark matter collapsing into invisible stars, or black holes older than the universe itself. What's even stranger? The hum is getting louder. In 2003, NASA recorded something that defies belief. A black hole, singing. The Perseus black hole emits a sound wave at a frequency 57 octaves below middle C, far too low for the human ear. To generate this vibration, the black hole would have to release hundreds of millions of suns worth of energy. And yet, it has been humming the same note for 2.5 billion years. No known physics explains how this is possible. In 2014, astronomers witnessed a star exploding, a supernova. It was dramatic, beautiful, and incredibly bright. All perfectly normal. until they saw it explode again. And again. And again. This star, known as IPTF-14HLS, has erupted at least 5 times. A zombie star. A star that will not die. It burns hydrogen in a way no modern star should. It refuels itself after exploding. This behavior breaks every model we have. Is it a new type of star? A new type of supernova? Or something far stranger? We still don't know. In 2021, NASA discovered something terrifying. A 20 million solar mass black hole is moving. It's racing through space at 4 million miles per hour, leaving a 200,000 light-year-long trail of newborn stars behind it. This is the first known runaway black hole. But how did it escape its galaxy? Nothing is powerful enough to eject something so massive unless it was part of a triple black hole system, or it collided with something even larger, or something unknown launched it into the void. And here's the real horror. The Milky Way may contain millions more just like it. Dark, silent, invisible, gliding through space. As we discover more exoplanets, the universe keeps proving one thing. It does not follow the rules. We've found gas giants orbiting their stars in just 18 hours. Planets made of diamond. Worlds with oceans of lava. And planets so light they could float on water. One planet discovered in 2021 may be the most extreme yet. Its surface is made almost entirely of iron. It rains molten metal. Its winds blow at 5,000 miles per hour. It shouldn't exist. And yet, there it is. Dark matter makes up 85% of the universe. But we can't see it, touch it, or detect it directly. It only reveals itself through gravity. But recent discoveries have made things far more confusing. In 2018, we found a galaxy with no dark matter at all. Then another. And another. This shouldn't be possible. And yet, we've also found galaxies made of nothing but dark matter. No stars. No planets. Just invisible mass swirling in the darkness. These discoveries challenge every cosmological theory we have. For all the noise the universe makes, for all the signals and vibrations and cosmic events, one sound is still missing. Communication. No intelligent signal. No alien message. Just silence. But here's the twist. If a Type 2 or Type 3 civilization wanted to communicate, they wouldn't use radio waves. They might use FRBs. They might use gravitational waves. They might use megastructures that alter starlight. And we might already be seeing them without knowing it. In just the past 20 years, we've discovered thousands of FRBs, a cosmic gravitational hum, runaway black holes, zombie stars, dark matter-free galaxies, and planets that defy physics. The universe is becoming louder, more chaotic, more alive. Or maybe we're finally learning how to listen. The universe has been speaking for billions of years. And now, we're beginning to understand what it's trying to say.